Do 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 do. La 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 la. Ding. Doom.
Hi. I don't know why I decided to film this, but here we are. We're gonna film this. I received my first order ever from cider. It's upside down, but you know what I mean. I don't know. I was so excited. I was like, let me film this. Am I ever gonna post it? Probably not. But if you see this, it means that I did. Anyways, I'm gonna just open it like this. I'm strong. I don't know. I've been seeing this brand all over Instagram, and I'm like, I'm kind of tempted, and it just keeps popping up. So like, I guess Instagram ads work because I bought like $80 worth of things, but like I was really good because there was free shipping at $79, and I perfectly checked out at $80, which I think is pretty good. I mean, it would have been better to like get it right at 79, but that's a little bit hard, and I was like, I was not gonna do math. So I got a lot. I actually got quite a bit of things. Actually, I don't remember what I got, but it looks about right. I don't know. But this is the first shirt I got. So basically, I ordered off cider because of this shirt. Because I am going to wear it to my Christmas company party, except I'm not gonna wear it there. I'm wearing it for a performance that I'm doing with my coworkers, and then I'll probably change out back into my actual outfit. But I saw this and I was like, you know what, this really matches the skirt. But actually this kind of looks big, but it's like this. It's like the velvet material, and like it's like, what is this called? Lantern sleeves. But it looks so cute. There's like a little cutout here. If I was good at editing videos, I would edit a video of me wearing it starting now. But I'm not going to, so. Anyways, that's the first top that I got. It was like, I don't know how much it was, but I don't think it was bad. And then I got a skirt. I've been really feeling sage greens and just greens in general, so I was like, green skirts. What could go wrong? And it's pretty cute. This fabric is different from like the one that I'm wearing now. This one's a little bit more rough, but this is kind of like soft to the touch. I don't know, but it looks pretty good. Oh, and their pants. There's built-in safety shorts, so that makes it even better. Looks cute. Looks cute. I have like a billion of these skirts, but you know, another one couldn't hurt, right? So that's the skirt. I think it's really dusty in here, so I keep coughing. And then I got this shirt. I've been really feeling like the not fake, but like the rich girl look, but you're not actually rich, you just dress like you're rich. That's me right now. And then I got this shirt, which looks a little bit bigger than I expected. I can't really tell because there's no sleeves. Like when I have the sleeves on, I can kind of tell if it will fit, but I mean, I think I think it'll fit. Anyways, again, if I was good at editing and wanted to film some more, this will be the part where I edit myself wearing it. Anyways, I don't know why I'm doing that. I'm probably not going to. Anyways, what else did I get? What is this? I don't recall ordering this. What is this? How do I open it? Oh, there. Oh, cool. You kind of like bend this and then it opens. Oh. Oh. Okay, these ones don't look that good. It looks like it got crushed during shipping. So, oh. Oh, okay, so they're separate. So I got these earrings. Oh, I get it. Look how cute that is. Oh my god, what do they do? Do they do this? Oh my god, look at this. It's like, this is like the earring backing, and it's got like a little pom-pom dangling. I feel like the pom-pom could be cuter, but this is pretty cute. Unfortunately, look at that. Can you see that? Can you see that? It's crooked. It's like the backing is like completely like, you probably can't see it, but it's crooked. It's probably because of shipping and getting crushed. But honestly, it looks pretty cute. It's fixable. Like all together it looks really cute, right? Oh, it would match this outfit too. Okay, no, okay, I like it, even though it's a little bit. Oh my god, this one's even worse. Okay, maybe I can use this to show you guys. Look. Oh no, you can't see it either. Oh, whoops, I dropped it. You can't see it either, but it's like crooked. Holy. Anyways, I can fix it. I'm pretty sure I can. It's not too bad of a fix. It's cute though, I mean, for the price. I think this was like $8? $7 or $8? It's not too bad. What else did I get? What is this? Oh, I've been really into like the pearl look. I'm wearing like kind of pearl earrings right now. I've been really into pearls recently, and I decided to get this. I think this is the belt. I think I got a belt. It's a pearl belt. I don't know how I'm gonna like style it or wear it because I don't own that many solid colored dresses that I could pair this off. Maybe, and if I wore like a, you know, crop top and then like put it there, you couldn't really see it. I feel like it would blend in with my skin. But I got a belt, which is literally just pearl. I don't know if this was like a good purchase or not, or is this just like a spontaneous, I want to buy this. But it kind of looks cute. Like it goes like this around. Oh, actually no, I could like wear it like this. You know what? Good purchase. Good purchase. As long as I'm happy. I don't know when I'll ever wear this, but it's there whenever I feel like it. Not too bad. I think this was like $10. I don't know. I was on like something. I was like, it's time for me to shop. I feel like I haven't did like a big order in a while. I bought like 9 items, I think, which is quite a bit. Actually, no, not 9 items. Wait, I feel like I got 9 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I only got 6 items. Why did it look like there was 9 items in my shopping list? Ah, well. What are these? Sometimes I wonder, how do I order things and not remember what I order? I only remember ordering the tops, the clothes, and the belt. What is this? Maybe there's 2 things in here. I ordered this? I'm like, I don't even know what this is. It's not even connected? Hello? Oh! What did I buy? What is this? Oh! Oh my gosh, they're hair clips. Okay, I see. I see. You know, I think this was definitely a spontaneous purchase, because why would I buy black bows? I have black hair. How is this gonna show it? I'm only gonna be able to see these sparkly, the sparkly crystals. The bows aren't gonna show up in my hair. It's kind of like a waste. Oh no, oh no. Don't spontaneously buy things. In my head, I probably thought this was a good idea, but in reality, it probably wasn't. I should have factored in my hair color before I purchased these, but you know how it is. Yeah, you know how it is. Put that back in there. I like all these packaging though. It looks cute. Not that it really protected the earrings. Those earrings are crushed. But it looks cute. Anyways, what is this? I'm most interested in this. I can't remember what this is. I feel like they might be socks. But we shall see. Oh, they are socks. Oh, I got rhinestone stockings, tights. Oh my gosh, wait, these are so cute, look. These are probably gonna fall off so fast. I do not know why I bought this. Another spontaneous purchase. I am super aware of that now. I think the only thing I really needed from this purchase was the top, because I needed it to go with the skirt that I got. And it's like also velvet and sparkly, so that was the only thing I really needed. Everything else was like, why don't I get it for the sake of getting it? Oh my gosh, but this is really pretty though. Oh, maybe I'll wear this to my winter thing. Anyways, I went to work. I didn't have any makeup on, so I'm breaking out quite a bit. Proceeds to show everybody. Yes. Again. Oh my gosh. Anyways. Well, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. I don't know why I thought I got 8 things. I mean 9 things. But you know what? Not too bad. Surely not too bad. And I think a crystal already fell off the stockings. Well, it is what it is. I think this was like, what? $7, $8, $10? Around there. Anyways. Oh! And that's it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. And if I don't post this, who am I asking? I don't know. Anyways, bye-bye.